Hi everybody, it's Lisa on How to Zazzle, and today we're going to talk about shipping. Now, this is good for whether you're a customer or whether you're a seller. For customers, for obvious reasons, if you have, questions about shipping on items. But for sellers, you'll notice Zazzle added this little chat box. And this chat box, like almost every single message I get in there, is a question about shipping, which I wish that Zazzle would make it really clear to this chat box is just about designing questions, because like 99% of mine are about shipping, which I can't answer, or for canceling orders, and there's just a lot of questions that have nothing to do with the designer. But anyway, so what I was going to go over today is something called Zazzle Black that you might want to tell your customers about, or if you are a customer, you might want to consider getting it. I have it. So Zazzle Black is, right now, as I'm making this video, in December of 2021, it's $9.95 a year, and it's unlimited standard shipping. So they're just using regular shipping. It's not going to be like extra fast or anything, but it's only $9.95 a year, and then anything you buy on Zazzle will be free shipping for that year. And you can do a trial order if you want to. I think they give it to you for 30 days and then they charge you if you want to keep it. There's also something called Zazzle Black Premium that's $30 a year. Now, if you want fast shipping, this is the way to go, because you'll get everything in 2 to 3 days, plus the free shipping. So those are your two choices if you want cheaper shipping and faster shipping. Is $9.95 a year for Zazzle Black, or $30 for Zazzle Black Premium. Now there is this page. If you just Google Zazzle Black, this page will come up, and it goes over it in more details. You'll learn more about the 30-day trial, and there's like a question and answers page. What kind of shipping do you get with Zazzle Black, and how do I start my free trial? So I'll put the link down below to this page so that you can get more details on this. But I just wanted to let you guys know about Zazzle Black, because a lot of people, I didn't even know about it, and I've been a Zazzle seller for many years, for like a decade. And when I found this, I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I wasn't doing this all along. I think it even pops up when you buy something. It asks you if you want to join it, but I just must not have paid attention. So anyway, just wanted to make you guys aware, and I hope this video helped you get some cheaper shipping, and help people who are sellers know to send this link to people who have shipping questions. So anyway, you guys have a great day, and happy Zazzling to you.